This is my test rig for shooting 3D video of eagles. Let's turn it on using the Link Shepherd. Really hard to reach that thing. There we go. Sync is within 0.2 milliseconds. That's good. Got the using the two composite outs from the two Canon HF-M32s and feeding them down to these two video capture interfaces and two USB ports. And I'm viewing the live 3D video in anaglyph. And convergence is, as usual, perfect. And the fact that I'm able to view it in anaglyph means I can put on my 3D glasses here, my trusty anaglyph glasses. And let's see here. Okay. Shaky video. Yeah. And let's see. View the live 3D. Put them on here. Yeah, it's great for setting the proper 3D depth. And if it looks like I need a little bit more depth, I can just slide the cameras a little bit further apart. Right now they're as close as I can get them. Some shots I will pull them apart a bit. And it's just a matter of sitting back and waiting for the birds to show up. I'm going to transfer my two Canon camcorders from my homemade setup over there over to this Steadicam Merlin setup using quick change Manfrotto adapters. These are 384s that I modified so they can be screwed down from the top. That way they can easily be pivoted and rotated without losing their accuracy. And the registration between that setup and this setup is perfect. I can transfer back and forth and maintain my perfect conversions. It's very convenient. It only takes about a minute or so to switch them out. So that's what I'm going to do. Take the component cables out. Left camera. Take that baby out right there. Take it right here. See here. Whoa. Okay. Now, there we go. Take that one off of there. Oops. And let's see if I can swap that out over here. You can do that. Yeah, looks like I got it. Yeah. There. Oh, composite video connector still engaged. I forgot about that. Yeah, that's a problem. Pull that out. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. Like shepherd's kind of in the way. There we go. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now the link shepherd attaches with Velcro. And of course, every time you put it on, the balance is thrown off just a bit. Depending on where the link shepherd happens to stick. It's not too far off though. You have to balance it out a bit. Let's see here. Leaning in a little bit. It's pretty close. It's powered up. Power the link shepherd up. Push the on button. See how that works. Alright, sync is 0.21 milliseconds. 0.2. Okay, not bad. Yeah, I see we're leaning a little bit to the left. Let's just rotate that up just a tad, see if that does it. Not quite. How's that? That's pretty darn good. Maybe just a tad more. Yeah, not bad. There we are. How's that look? Yeah, working. Okay, now I'm ready to go prowling for bears. Oh, there's a bear there looking at me. There he goes. just removed the Canons from the Merlin, and now I'm going to reinstall them over here. Left and right. Pretty easy, huh? Click them in. Let's see. Composite video wrapped around the tripod leg. And let's see. That would be right. Tangled up here. Dropped my light shepherd. And knocked off my. Oh boy, I'm clumsy sometimes. Knocked off the composite. Oh, anyway, that's plugged in. Camera snapped in. Left camera composite connector. Composite plugged back in. Reinstall light shepherd. Oh. Plug the light into right camera and link into left camera. Okay, there we are, ready to go.